Hey, hi guys, my name is Nagshekar and you are watching me on Techma Hey. So in this job news episode number 6, we had few openings from Amazon, Microchip, Axis Bank, Virtusa and Joho. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications. And for more job updates, you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Links are provided in the description. And if you want to contact us, you can go to the Google Store or App Store. Please do install Call Me For app and you can call us on that app.
Without any further delay, let's get started.
Coming to job update number 1, the job update number 1 is from Microchip. Microchip is going to hire freshers for the role of software developer. And coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should complete your bachelor's in BE or BTech or MS or MTech. And coming to the preferred location can be Bangalore. Coming to the skills, you need to have good understanding in digital logic designs, and you need to have an understanding in programming languages like Verilog, System Verilog, C, C++, or Python and Parallel. And you need to have good understanding in microcontroller architecture. And also you need to have good understanding in object-oriented programming languages. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go to the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 2, the job update number 2 is from Axis Bank. Axis Bank is going to hire freshers for the role of assistant manager. The basic eligibility criteria is you should be an undergraduate or you should be a postgraduate in any of the stream with the following constraints. You need to have 50% of aggregate in your final year, and you should have 50% of aggregate in all the years of your respective degree, and you should not be a diploma candidate, and you should be in a position to upload your final year documents and your original degree document in the year of June 2021. And the preferred location can be across the India. And coming to the interview process has 3 rounds. First one we had online round, second one is the technical round, and third one is HR round. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 3, the job update number 3 is from Joho. Joho is going to hire freshers for the role of software developers. And basic eligibility criteria is you should complete your BA or BTech in the stream of computer science or information technology. And coming to the year of passing should be 2015 or 2016 or 2017 or 2018 or 2019 or 2020. And coming to the preferred location can be across the. Coming to the skills, you need to write well designed and efficient code, and you need to have knowledge in programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python, and you need to have good knowledge in object oriented features, and you should be in a position to develop and help in all the phases of the product development life cycle. And if you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 4, the job update number 4 is from Amazon. Amazon is going to hire freshers for the role of device associate. And coming to basic eligibility criteria, the basic eligibility criteria is you should be a BA or MCA or MSc student in the streams of information technology or electronics and electrical engineering or electronics and communication engineering. And coming to the experience, you should be a fresher or you need to have 0 to 2 years of experience in QA. And coming to preferred location can be Chennai or Bengaluru. Coming to the skills, you need to be familiar with the operating system called as Windows, and you need to have a knowledge in Microsoft tools like MS Word and MS Excel, and you need to have browser knowledge on Windows Explorer and Firefox, and you need to have an interest in doing the repetitive task. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go to the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 5, the job update number 5 is from Virtusa. Virtusa is going to hire freshers for the role of associate engineer. Coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should complete your bachelor's in BE or BTech or MCA with 65% of aggregate with no active backlogs. and the year of passing should be 2019 or 2020, and you should complete your bachelor's in computer science or information technology or electronics and communication engineering, and the preferred location can be Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai or Pune, and there are 20 number of openings for this job, and the expected salary would be 4 lakhs per annum. Coming to the skills, you need to done a certification in OCJA or ISTQB certifications, and you need to have good communication skills. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 6, the job update number 6 is from Thinkatu. Thinkatu is going to hire freshers for the role of trainee software engineer. And coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should be BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MCA student. And you need to complete the degree in computer science or information technology. Coming to the batch, you should be 2018 or 2019 or 2020 or 2021 year of passing student. Coming to the preferred location, it can be across the India, and coming to the interview process, you will be having 5 rounds. First one is online assessment, followed by 2 technical rounds called L1 technical interview, and second one is L2 technical interview, and followed by managerial round, and followed by HR round. Coming to the skills, you need to have good interpersonal and communication skills, and you need to have good knowledge in programming and data structures, and you need to have good knowledge in front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and JS framework like Angular. If you want to apply for this job, please go through the link and apply for this job. That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, and for more job updates, you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. And for paid promotions, you can mail us on techmyhire@gmail.com. And if you want to call us, you can go to the Play Store and install Call Me For app, and you can call us on that app. Signing off, Shekhar.